The only failure is not to try. I think the thing to do is to enjoy the ride while you're on it. Be so good they can't ignore you. Nothing ever truly dies. The universe wastes nothing. Everything is simply transformed. I can't think of any better representation of beauty than someone who is unafraid to be herself. Challenge yourself. It's the only path which leads to growth. Stop letting people who do so little for you control so much of your mind, feelings and emotions. Your regrets aren't what you did, but what you didn't do. So I take every opportunity. I'm a big believer in accepting yourself, and not really worrying about it. No dream is ever just a dream. It's easy to fool the eye, but it's hard to fool the heart. The struggles along the way are only meant to shape you for your purpose. There are no regrets in life, just lessons. I have great expectations for the future, because the past was highly overrated. Actors have an opportunity to use storytelling as a way to solve pain. The great gift of human beings is that we have the power of empathy. Make bold choices and make mistakes. It's all those things that add up to the person you become. There is nothing like a challenge to bring out the best in a man. The funny thing is, when you don't let people disrespect you, they start calling you difficult. A hero is someone who voluntarily walks into the unknown.